At approximately 12:43 a.m. on Wednesday, December 29th, officers assigned to the West Side Patrol Division received a call for service regarding a family disturbance with a weapon. When they arrived, officers met a witness outside the residence who said her friend was being held inside by her friend's husband. She also said he was armed with a gun. Officers knocked on the door and announced their presence. Mr. Basel Khaled Al Rifai opened the door with a rifle in his hands. One officer discharged his duty weapon at Mr. Al Rifai. Mr. Al Rifai dropped the rifle and surrendered. Mr. Al Rifai was not struck and was taken into custody on charges of assault, family violence, and terroristic threat.
Huh? I was gonna move forward. If y'all just watch those windows for me, I'll move forward and check.
Coming up. You hear anything? Policía! Hey! 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 No! Hey! 17, shot fire! Shot fire! Fucking now! On you! Get down! Okay. Right now!
96.
Don't you move!
17, hold there, hold there.
Fucking move! Get the gun! Get the goddamn gun!
Okay, man, I thought she bring me our people. She bring me our people, that bitch. She bring me our people.
Let him get hands. Let him get hands.
Don't shoot, man. Don't shoot.
Go ahead.
Don't shoot.
Nobody else in the house?
No, she's my wife. My wife.
Yeah, I already put it out. I already put it out. I already got it out.
Who else is in there?
Hey, step back. Step back. Step back. Good. You breathe.
Step back.
I'm good. I know. Breathe. Step back.
Don't move!
On you.
Don't move! I'm coming up.
33.
You hear anything?
Can't see people on the property being allowed to possibly stealing material from the club.
Policía! Hey! 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 Hey!
No.
Get down! Right fucking now!
No, on you.
Get down!
Okay.
Right now! Don't you move! Don't you fucking move! Get the gun! Get the goddamn gun!
Okay, man, I thought she bring me our people. She bring me our people, that bitch. She bring me our people.
Let him get Hold on. Go ahead.
Shoot,
Go ahead.
man.
Go ahead.
Don't shoot.
Nobody else in the house?
No, she's my wife. My wife.
Shots fired. Hey, put it out. Put it out.
I already got it out.
Who else is in there?
Hey, step back.
Yeah, you're good.
You breathe.
I'm good.
I know. Breathe. Step back.
Don't move!
On you.
Don't move!
Malik, you good?
Don't move! Anybody else in the house? ¿Quién más está ahí? Where's she at? Get him out.
If y'all just watch those windows,
Alright.
I'll move forward and check.
Coming up. You hear anything? Policía! Hey! Hey!
No.
Get down! Right fucking now!
No, on you.
Get down!
Okay.
Get on the fucking ground. Right now! Don't you move! I'm gonna get the gun. Don't you fucking move! I'm gonna get the gun, alright? Get the gun. Get the goddamn gun.
Okay, man, I thought she bring me our people. She bring me our people, that bitch.
Go. Let him get Hold on. Policía! Hey!
Shots fired. Hold there.
Don't you move! Don't you fucking move! Get the gun! Get the goddamn gun!
Okay, man, I thought she bring me our people. She bring me our people, that bitch. She bring me our people.
Let him get Hold on.
Don't shoot, man. Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Nobody else in the house?
No, she's my wife. My wife.
Roll over.
My wife.
Hey, put it out.
already got it out.
Well, sit down.
Hey, step back. Hey, good.
Police, go out.
I'm good. I know. Please, step back.
Don't move.
On you.
Don't move.
Yeah, you guys go clear.
Don't move. Anybody else in the house?
Man.
Get him outside, Reed.
Where's she at?
Get him out.